Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In this video, I'm gonna drive my girlfriend's Renault Clio IV Limited on this way too hot German summer day. As you can see, she added some special stickers that I definitely wouldn't have done. I like the rear view mirror housing though, they're kinda funny. Own a cool car you want me to drive and make a video about? If so, then please mail me at info@GermanCarDude.com. The .de domain is also okay. Please subscribe if you like this kind of video. So, let's get right into it then. This car comes with a special keyless entry system, with a start button too. This special Renault Clio has the 1.2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out 120 horsepower and 205 Newton-meters of torque. Or if you like it arbitrary, it's also 151 pound-feet of torque in retarded measurements. Even though it has a lot more power than the Opel Adam I recently drove, it doesn't really feel like it. It feels like it has no real punch in it, especially in the lower end. The weight in this is pretty much the same as the Opel Adam. Pretty remarkable, because this is a 4-door car and the Opel Adam is only a 2-door car. This is also much larger. Alright, now let's get to the title of this video. When my girlfriend told me that she wanted to get this car, I started to search around the internet for some time. I looked at its technical specs and I saw what it could do. But what I didn't see at that time was that this car actually has a dual clutch transmission. And testing it myself, I gotta say it's actually really good. But it also holds the gears a little too long at lower speeds. Later in this video I will also do some manual shifting. It has no shifting pedals on the steering wheel, but it has a manual mode on the gear lever. As you just saw, the gear changes are rather quick, and you also feel no interruption in power. Now let's stop at this red light for a second. This car has no launch control and also no sport mode. Now let's see how fast this thing shifts when I do it manually. This click sound when shifting is really satisfying. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of French cars and never was. However, driving this specific car was actually a pleasure. The steering feels really connected, its chassis feels comfortable over any sort of bump, and the automatic dual clutch transmission is perfect for chilling drives, but also quick and seamless when accelerating faster. Its entertainment system is just okay though, and you should have a pickaxe available when trying to interact with a touchscreen interface. But other than that, it's functional and the navigation is also okay. But there's one thing that keeps me from recommending this entertainment system though. There is an annoying and incredibly loud sound every single time you go only 1 kilometer over the recommended speed limit. And you can't even turn that off. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to say about this car. See you next time. Bye bye.